Yo, what's up guys? Today we are at Chester, PA at the Philadelphia Union Stadium here. I got a pretty cool view behind me. We are here for the Radwood event. This is a really cool event. It's all 80s and 90s themed cars. Everything's super clean, super unique. It's one of my favorite shows. It's a local show to me. I've been here once before. This is my first time working it. So we'll see how it goes. It's already an awesome crowd and the show hasn't even started yet, but just the people in the show here have been coming by the booth. But nothing crazy today, no racing, no drifting, no real action, but definitely some awesome cars. So I'll try to document a couple of my favorites. It'll probably be a short video. And yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. I will check in with you guys probably a little later towards the end of the show. I'm a little biased, but this is one of my favorites so far. So they're doing the raddest dress now. I figured I'd come and check this out.
All right, there we go. That is it. Thank you so much. All right, hold tight. All right, Darren. Hang on one second. Right off the camcorder in the house. We're doing cameo in Dungeons. Congratulations and a huge round of applause for everyone else. Thank you guys so much. It was tight. It was close. That was only fair. All right.
That was pretty funny. Beautiful weather here today for Radwood in Philly. It's been an awesome event. It's kind of funny, the 80s and 90s event. They also have a best dressed contest, so you got a lot of guys that dress up. But real quick, I'll show you the tent here. I didn't get a chance to show it earlier. So I love this new tent setup here from Top Ups. That's MC Slick on Instagram if you want to check him out. But yeah, this has been an awesome event. Sorry it's a short video. There wasn't too much going on other than the car show, but I tried to get as much as I can. And I will keep you guys updated where I wind up next. But until then.